My intuition.
Amazons, welcome back to my channel. So today's video I'm half excited about, half scared to shit about. So I originally saw this do-it-yourself nose piercer on Shein, and I ordered it, and then I saw it on Amazon. I'm like, let me look into this, because I used to have my nose pierced back in the day. And I remember out of all the piercings I had, and I had quite a few, it was one of the more painful ones. But I mean, I have 10 tattoos, like I'm in chronic pain, so I have a pretty high pain tolerance. But what really scares me about it is me having to do it to myself. But I saw on Amazon they did come in different colors. So I ended up buying one from Amazon, and I got it in pink CZ. But if you can tell, so this is the one that was from Shein, and this is the one from Amazon. They are almost identical. So the one from Amazon is, it says 199, and this one says 201. They both say 2 millimeters. And these are disposable nose piercing units. So the one from Amazon was $7. I forget how much the one from Shein was, but I will link them down below. So yeah, we're just gonna try it real quick. I had my piercing on the right side. I don't know if you can still see the hole, but I think it would probably be smart to do it on the same side, but I think I want to go on the left side. So yes, they both come with alcohol wipes. Make sure you use them to prevent any infection. All right, let's try that again. Okay, I think that's pretty good. You know what I want to do though? I'm going to get a piece of ice and numb my nose some. So I will be right back. Alright, so I watched a couple videos of girls doing the same thing. I literally watched 2 of them. The first video I watched, she had to do it like 4 times before she got it. But the second video, she got it on the first time. So I'm hoping that I get it on the first time. But I know that, I remember when I got my nose pierced before, the cartilage is very thick. So you have to put quite a bit of pressure when you are doing this. All right. Oh, I gotta do it with my left hand too. Man. Okay. Is that, let me make sure it's like in the right spot. Okay. Here we go. Oh. 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 Did it do it? Oh. Okay. It did it. Woo. Okay. Just making sure it went through. Yeah, it went through. Definitely, oh, have to press really hard. Oh. Okay. Oh, I remember how cute they are. Oh. All right, guys. So, yeah. I mean, it definitely worked. I mean, it hurt, but that was to be expected. And I think that it's pretty awesome that you can just pierce your nose at home. I hope somebody finds this video helpful, or at least amusing, watching me cause myself pain. All right, guys, I gotta go to sleep, but I love you. I will see you in my next video. Bye.